Hey everybody, this is Subheksha Pathak. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the things that I really like this month. So this is going to be a Feb wrap up. I was supposed to post this video by like 28th Feb, but it got postponed and I'm posting it in March. So yeah, let's just start with the video. And this is going to be about everything that I like, the movies, the series, the books, the things that I loved. So yeah, it's a whole wrap up. So this is the first thing. So this is a heart-shaped cup that I really loved. It has this, you can see it has lots of hearts here. So me and my best friend, we both bought something like this together and it was really cute. It wasn't expensive as well. I think it was somewhere around 150. And I have an obsession with buying different cups, you know. I also like to buy ugly cups. This is a really pretty cup. I also like to buy very different sort of cups. So that's why I thought let's buy this one. And I love drinking my hot chocolate in this. I'm so obsessed that I even drink my water sometimes in this cup. So these two are the books that I have read this month. Of course, it's the first one is 1984 by George Orwell and second one is Norwegian Woods by Murakami. I like to read, but I had stopped reading like a year ago, but then I started to reread. Although I had bought this book in Jan, but I was quite occupied so I could not read it. But this Feb I read this book and I'm halfway through this book also. So yeah, and I have read Animal Farm too online because I remember I had read Animal Farm back in 6th grade in my library. The other thing is this. So this is a free bookmark that I got with 1984. It has Starry Nights and I guess most of us we love Starry Nights. So this was one of the cutest thing that I have, and this is the only bookmark that I've still kept with myself because I remember I have lost millions, not millions, but yeah, like multiple bookmarks that I have. So ultimately I either have to keep a pen inside the book or something else, but this one, this remains intact. This is another thing that I really loved. I'm not sure if I should have included it or not, but I really like this. So this is a small, like tiny hairbrush that I really like. Before this, I used to use a wooden comb and I still use it. But I love this because whenever I'm washing my hair, especially if you have wavy or curly hairs, this is a big lifesaver because it helps you detangle your hair pretty easily. Meanwhile, the wooden comb it get wet, so sometimes it can cause little trouble. So that's why if you want to use it in shower you can. I think it was for 160. I had a bigger brush when I was a kid, but then it was back in I think 2018 or something, so I don't know. But yeah, it is in pink color, of course, so I like pink. Every girl loves pink, I guess. So yeah, that was the comb that I really love. This is another thing that I love using this month. It is exact match of my kurti. So this time there was this mela or carnival or a fest that was happening, and I there was this auntie who was selling these bags, like two bags for 100. So I thought let's just buy it because the entire design was so similar to the kurti I was wearing that day itself, so I used it on that day too. So I got two of it, like one for my sister and one for myself, and it has these two zips. The first one is here, the second one is this. You can keep anything you like, it has lots of space, and it was just for rupees 50, so it was quite a big deal. And here's the close-up shot. This is another thing that I really loved doing this month. It is molded clay, easy mold. So my father got it for me and my sister, we together like made like a few trays and stuff. Now I'm thinking of making some jewelries with it. It's really fun, you know. It just kind of calms your mind. You love to make things with it, and it gives you a break from your day-to-day life. And if you want to do something while not using your phone, you can definitely try it. And again, the entire video is completely unsponsored, no one's paying me anything, and I'm not even forcing you to buy any stuff. It's just what I loved and what are the benefits of it and how I felt about it. I'm going to tell you that exactly. That's it. That's the whole purpose of this video. So I think if you want your kids to have some fun, or even if you adults wants to have fun, you can definitely use it. This is another thing that I really like. This is the bangles, the wooden bangles. Again, it's for rupees 50. This was from Mela itself, and I love to wear it. Of course, the Indo-Western outfit, you can slay in them. I don't know if it looks fine, but that's how it looks. Pretty nice. So yeah, it was for 50. Again, I bought it for myself and for my sister because I really liked it. And this is, I guess, handmade. I bought it because I liked it, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use it in. This is another thing that I really love this month. So this is chudi, a yellow colored set of bangles. Me and my mother, we both got the same set of bangles from a shop in different sizes. So I had never owned my own set of bangles because it was most of the time borrowed by my sister or my mother. Like, I do have two sets of bangles. One is of pearls and the other one is of different color. I don't know what that color is called. So this time I thought, let's buy these basic chudis. So I have bought this in yellow and red. I'm going to show you the red one. So it was like set of 12. So this was also really nice, quite handy and affordable. In any Indian market, you're going to get it for like 20-30 rupees. That's it. That's going to be the price of it. Now it's time to talk about the series that I really enjoyed this month. That's Supernatural. I can't stop talking about it. If you like a series that has like lots of stuff to do with supernatural things, you are going to love it because Sam and Dean are the best. Okay, I mean, I love their duo. This entire series is going to keep you hooked up to the screen. The show is incredible. Okay, I love it. I'm on the sixth season right now. So now it's time to talk about the YouTuber that I loved watching this month. It's Abby Emmons. I really loved watching her channel because she talks about how a writer should write and what really catches the attention of a reader. All it about this video. I hope you're going to like this video, and if you do, please do like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what are the things that you also like this month. Bye bye.